back to my channel. I'm Kaviar. If you want to know where I got this wig from and all the details about it, stick around. So this wig is from Slove Hair or Slove Hair. I don't know which one it is. Should I say Slove? I want to say Slove. No, I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say Slove. And it is a 13x4, 24-inch burgundy ombre, black roots, burgundy body wave wig, and it is 200% density. So she is full. Let's jump into the unboxing portion of this video right now. If you guys want to get this wig and you want to know all the details, it's going to be in the description box below. But let's talk about the hair. This wig, it doesn't say on the website if it's a Brazilian hair or what type of hair, but it does say it's 100% virgin hair. You know, virgin hair is the hair that has never been touched by chemicals, by bleach, by anything. So once the hair is colored or treated with anything, it's no longer virgin, but it once started virgin. So we want to let you guys know, yes, it was virgin before they bleached it and dyed it to get this color. But as you guys can see, it is an ear to ear. So I installed it and you guys would have seen that process already. And this is the baby hairs. This is up close. I don't like a lot of baby hairs, you guys, so sometimes it takes me a long time to get the baby hairs to where I want it. I just like minimal baby hairs just to keep it on the more natural side. At 200% density, the wig is very full. The color is beautiful. The ombre on this wig, it's beautiful. Sometimes when you see wigs, they have a clear line of demarcation, which means the hair, it isn't a smooth transition, it's just straight. So on this wig, it is a very beautiful ombre because it's not the same everywhere. I did do a side part with this unit, but I love how it is ombreed. It's so beautiful, and this color is just everything. Like, this color suits me. I know I've tried some other color wigs before and like highlighted wigs, but this color, oh my god, if you girls are my skin tone, this color is gonna look amazing on you. You're gonna feel so confident. Like, I don't know who I think I am right now, but I'm here for it. It's colored, so the color does transfer. So when you're washing it, it's going to transfer out. So you're gonna have to be mindful of that. You don't want to shampoo it with really hot water because hot water really does strip the color from the hair. Now, it is a permanent color, so it shouldn't fade too much, but it's going to fade over time and get a little bit duller if you use hot water. So if you're washing it, cool water only and minimal shampoo and conditioner. I would say more on the conditioner side because shampoo tends to strip hair. So guys, the color did transfer onto my fingers, but it's pretty much gone now. I didn't like remove it like too heavily. Like, I just like washed my hands for like 5 seconds to get it off, so it wasn't anything crazy, but I just wanted you guys to know that. And the fit of the wig, it's very fitting for me. I chose a medium size and it fits me good. I didn't put any foundation on this part of the lace. It doesn't need to be bleached, but I did bleach this unit because I like to add that extra layer of like, you know, realism, especially because I don't wear a wig cap underneath. They do really make some beautiful hair. They know what they're doing. I know they're known for like their colored units, and this one is A1, like a 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend. Like, from the roots to the mid shaft, it's very full. But yeah, guys, that's what it looks like. I'm in love with this hair so far, so good. I'm gonna keep wearing it because she's so cute. I'm actually not gonna take this off. I installed it pretty good. It's really on there with the Got To Be glue spray. So she's gonna be on here for a few days and we're gonna be rocking it. Let me know what you guys think about this wig and the hair. I really recommend this company for colored hair units if you want to check them out. Again, all the information is gonna be in the description box below. This hair is so cute, you guys. It is Kaviar approved. So that's it. That's all. I gotta go, guys. See you later. Bye.